players, today we are going to be reviewing this slime or So Slime DIY kit. There is one missing because I've already attempted the purple one. So let's get into this. Right, you bring it out and you've got these little pots where you can put your slime afterwards. Right, so we're going to do the green. Right, so you take the lid off and you've got this little package. So I've got scissors here and I'm going to cut that. And what's in here? So there's your glitter, or stars in this case. You have the powder, so this one's actually blue. And then you have a little charm that goes in it. A little pink mermaid. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this powder, like that, and empty it into the slime pot, like that. Make sure not to spill it everywhere, guys, because this can get messy. Right, we've got that. And now we are going to empty our little stars into it. There we go. Empty our stars, glitter, jazz it up. There we go. Now what we need is we need to get a nice jug of water, and you guys probably can't see, but there's a line that you need to fill it up to. So that is what I'm going to do. There we go. Just like that, and we're just gonna pop our little mermaid charm in there as well. Now, you secure the lid and you've got to shake this for 30 seconds. Can't be anything more, can't be anything less, 30 seconds. And once you're done shaking it all, you need to take the lid off and leave it. You don't touch it, you leave it for 5 minutes. Luckily, because I've already done the purple one, we have already done that one and we have left it already. So we can put that one there. This purple slime here is the finished product. And I'm gonna take it out. It's already in like kind of a blob. Right, that is the kind of consistency you want. Bit sticky, but hopefully the more you play with it, the more it will not stick. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate slime test. Does it poke? Well, kind of. It doesn't make much of a clicky noise, but it definitely pokes, which is always thankful when you've got slime. Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to our slime review, and I hope to see all of you in the next video. Bye!